Today I'm going to be sharing with you 18 amazing Amazon kitchen gadget must-haves. Also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with these beautiful gems right here. I'll talk about here in a second. All the details will be listed at the end of this YouTube video. I have a nice link in that description box below for you so that you do not have to go back and forth between this video and Amazon. So watch the video and then click the link down below. Number one, if you do not have these magnetic measuring spoons in your life, you absolutely need them. Space saving, so stinking cute. And then here's another bonus tip. Let's say you have a particular spice right here and you're like, I need a tablespoon because I am making some chili. It does not fit. But what's nice is there are two sides of the spoon. This more narrow side fits right in. 5 lucky winners are going to be winning these spoons. I will send them to you personally. My guess is you have a lot of things in your kitchen and pantry with cords, including maybe a crock pot like this. And what do you typically do? You have to try to wrap the cord in here. It doesn't really fit in there. Or maybe you stick it in there and then you try to put the lid on, but you're afraid the glass is gonna break. Not anymore, my friend. Look at this baby. It came with 2 in a pack. Dun da da, this grayish one and this white one. What I'm gonna do is show you how great this works. That just got me very excited. It made my organized heart so happy. It's the little extra touches that really give your home that wow factor. And I found that here with these Kleenex boxes. Yes, so cute. I mean, this is nice, but it just looks a little generic. But if you have something like this sitting out, it says that you put a little extra effort in, although you did not really. And also these are very reasonably priced. You just go ahead and slip your Kleenex box in there. I also got a pink one that I put in my daughter's room. Love this. Got an ugly toaster. This one right here I am obsessed with. It looks vintage and it's really added a little extra touch to our pantry. This one right here, I know that's disgusting. My husband has had this since college and that has been years. We are a family of 6, so mama is loving the 4 toaster option. You can cancel, you can do bagels, you can defrost, and it just looks so cute, sleek, sophisticated. I mean, which one makes you want to put your toast in? Ding, ding, ding. And when you have guests over, if you have a nasty looking toaster, it doesn't necessarily send the right message, although I've had a nasty looking toaster for many years, as you just saw. Oh, and the best part, it has these easy slide out trays for cleaning. You know, I love that. This next one, I am obsessed. You can see I do not like anything on my refrigerator. It makes it look cluttered. However, I love this. This is super sticky, and when I say sticky, I mean strength magnetic wise. I love that you can put all the meals that you're gonna have for that week. My kids love this because they know what to expect. They can make recommendations, and then I can put things on here that I often forget myself, such as notes and your grocery list, and then you can put the week of. The other nice thing is these markers, it came with 3 in this chalk set, are magnetic, so they stick to the fridge. But let's say I wanted to add on here pizza, and my kids and husband can also add things so that I can put it on my grocery list. But if you do not have one of these, I highly recommend it. Again, this is the only thing that I like on my refrigerator. If you're anything like me, you save all of your plastic bags from grocery shopping, especially if you do the drive up. They put them in bags such as this. So we would have a ton of these thrown all over the house. I wanted a cute, compact place to put those bags. The best part about it is you can just go ahead and pull a bag out. It's organized. You can put it on the back of a door such as this. You can put it on a taller door. I love this. It is just like upped my bag saving, game changing situation. Oh, and the best part, these are adjustable and it has not scratched my door, which is a bonus. How about this? I mean, that looks all right, but let's do one better. This just looks so good. It's so sleek, so sophisticated. It did come with these really beautiful labels right here, so you can change these up however you want to. To open the side here, there's a little magnet, so you push like that, and then you can just slide this right on out to put all your rolls inside there. This looks 100 times better. Yes, my drawers just got a facelift. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and slide these stickers under here, and that's where I'll keep them, and then I'll never have to know where they went. And for whatever reason, I have so much more space. Spoons, spoons, and more spoons. Now, I'm not the type of person that likes much stuff on the top of my counter, but I do like this because this is something that we used every single day. I love the bamboo. I love the black. It has everything that you need in here, and it also came with this. I didn't realize how often I actually use this to put your spoons in. I actually just keep it right up here, and then pretty much almost every single day when I'm cooking, I just go ahead and set my spoons in here, and it's so easy to wash. Loved this. This also helped me go through my very messy drawer right here, which you're going to see a transformation in just a second, organize what I actually needed. But again, this has everything that you need, affordably priced, and it actually looks decent on your countertop, so that's a bonus. The other reason that I selected this one is because it came with multiple spoons, because we use the spoons more often than anything else, and it had several spatulas. This one here, this one with slits, you have your tongs, and you have a flat one if you need to, I don't know, do whatever you want to with it. Thumbs up if you are like me, way too many water bottles. So this actually forced me to go through my water bottles and decide how many my husband and I really needed, and we were able to downsize, but just look how nice that looks inside there. And it holds 6 water bottles, as you can see, from varying sizes. This is a rather large water bottle, and this is a skinnier one. Love the acrylic on it. It just makes me want to keep my water bottles organized. I used to have them upright in this counter right here. However, they would tip over, my daughter would get into them, and so this was a win-win situation for this. I had seen this in so many other videos. I was like, I don't know, do I really need that? Once you get it, you realize, yeah, I do. This might be one of my favorite items. I don't know, we used to have one of those black butcher blocks that got just nasty here sitting by the stove, and it just looked clunky and took up quite a bit of space on the counter. So I was looking for something that looks sleek, sophisticated, yet was functional, and this part right here is very satisfying. You just stick it in there, yeah? Your knives once you clean them. And the other block holder had like 8 steak knives. Who is eating that much steak that you need the majority of your knife block housing steak knives? We only use really the scissors mostly, and I put 1 steak knife in here, and then we have something for cutting fruit, and then just a couple of other sharp knives that we use, but it really helped us downsize, and these are the knives that we use on an everyday basis, and it looks so sleek and pretty on my counter. I just love it. I was in the market for a beautiful recipe holder, and I found it, and thankfully it was on Amazon. I love this. It just looks beautiful with everything else that I have going on here, and it's really nice because all you have to do is just pull these 2 pieces apart, just like that. But yet it's super sturdy when you want to hold a variety of different size recipe books. Now typically I would not keep my recipe books out, but because of this stand, I think it just adds a little extra hominess in my kitchen, and it's functional. This is something I didn't necessarily know I needed until I got it, and I realized, yes, I really needed it. I wanted to upgrade my pizza cutter for something that was, I don't know, just a little bit easier on the wrist, and that was smaller and more compact. We've been using this for a few weeks now. I've washed it up. I just asked my husband the other day, I said, how do you like that pizza cutter? I just actually washed this because we had pizza last night, and it's been great, and then this little blade goes over it. My daughter would reach in the drawer sometimes, and so it kind of scared me with our old pizza cutter, and then again, water would get stuck in the handle, so that's why I love this pizza cutter right here. And it's functional, and it saves so much space. On the back here, you can easily take this apart to disassemble and wash it, and then reassemble it as needed. Now I've done that, but I've also just washed it by hand with a little kitchen scrubber that I have, and it's come up very, very nicely. This is an excellent gift idea also. I was looking for a cute set of affordable cutting boards, and I found them again, of course, on Amazon. All things Amazon. It is my favorite. But these two, not only cute, but functional. The quality is amazing. You could also hang these cutting boards if you wanted to. I like that detail. And you do want to take good care of these boards because they are real wood. And you can style these however you want to. Excuse me, I'm doing this one-handed. And that's what I love about them. And again, I don't typically leave anything on my countertop, but these items right here, I said yes. So great gift idea, great for you, great for your home, actually is functional in it as well. This is so cute, practical. I'm showing this because we use this in my kitchen. If you're wondering what it is, it's used to make tabletop s'mores. All you need is just some regular alcohol. I'm gonna throw this in here. We'll actually be making s'mores tonight with my kids. It's our Friday night tradition. Just light it. Light it. There we go. There we go. Oop, it takes just a second to build the heat. Perfect, and it came with these s'more sticks. They are extendable, as you can see. You can pull these out. Love them. The quality has been great washing them up. Love this. I gave this actually to a friend for her birthday, and now she can also pass on that tradition with her children if she wants to have fun on a Friday night. It came with this little, I guess, stopper cover to put your s'mores out. I wish I would have had one of these much sooner. Along that same s'more line, you need something to carry all your goodies in. I have this one and I bought another one for a friend. I'm gonna link with all of these items because that was really cute. It was wooden, it had handles, but I like this one too. I mean, come on, that's so adorable. My kids get excited about it. You can house all of your s'mores, hide, oh look at this, I have extra stickers and pokers down in there, and I have marshmallows, and actually I think, yep, these were the ones that came with what I just showed you, and you can see here on the end. So we have multiple s'more sticks because that's how much we love them, inside, outside. Now you can easily carry your goodies wherever you go. You could also take this camping, traveling with you, but again, just in my kitchen. Now, this is not terrible, but I can do better. Now that looks so much better, and I can easily take this out for multi-purpose cleaning. It just looks so much more clean and organized, and it makes me want to keep it that way. Love these. Came in a pack of 4. I'm also going to be using these in my pantry. And when everything is so nice and organized, it makes you and your family want to keep it that way. Also, I do think this helps prevent you, at least me, from overbuying, because if you do not have enough places for it, well, you probably do not need to restock at that point. I am going to be doing an entire pantry organizational haul video very shortly, so make sure that you're subscribed with your bells turned on so you don't miss that one. Now, this needs some love. That looks so nice. You can put pots in here, but I actually found another piece I'm going to talk about here in just a second, and this is expandable. This can pull out to 2 separate units, or you can push them in as far as you need to. These little hooks right here, it took me a bit to figure it out, but they pop inside of these little holes. Now, if you do not follow me on Amazon, make sure that you do, because I talk more in detail about all of these items. And we do go live once a week, currently on Fridays around 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. These are all fully adjustable and customizable. Now, I got this one. I was like, that looks cute, and actually it worked out. I'm glad that I got both of these. This seemed to be the best spot for the pans, and this seemed to be the best spot for the lids and the strainer, and then our splatter cover. You can even turn it this way, and look at how much more space that I gained because of that. Now, if you really want to take your fridge game up a level, check out this egg holder. It holds 15 eggs, slides in and out, and the nice thing about it is it rotates across the shelf if you want to. So you could have it over here and store some taller items such as this on that side, or depending upon how your refrigerator is set up. I love this. Just pull out your eggs. It makes me want to eat eggs. I am super excited about that one. Last but not least, I'm so excited to show you this. This has been the bane of my existence, this drawer. If you've been watching this channel, I've been talking about it. Look how nice and organized. This nice bamboo divider. I bought the expandable one. I love it. It came with extra pads, so it doesn't slide around your drawer, but in case for some reason they wear out, which they're not going to, they were included. But I'm just so excited to open this drawer. And the nice thing is there's still room along the side, so I can put items that are super, I don't know, wouldn't fit in there, such as this roller, these baking supplies, this cheese grater. And then there's back here a little hiding compartment. So I'm very excited that I can put things in here that we do not want my daughter to get a hold of, such as these corn cob holders right there. Oh, I am just on cloud 9. Let's talk about these amazing spoons and how you can enter the giveaway. 5 winners. I may decide to do more. It just depends. There's only a couple things that you need to do. Give this video a thumbs up, and then in the comments box below, I want you to write in winner chicken dinner, because I hope all of you are winner, and it was only fitting for our kitchen Amazon organizational video. The next thing that you need to do is sign up for the weekly cleaning hack newsletter so that you are first to know about the latest and greatest when it comes to all things cleaning and life hacks. And then finally, like the Andrea Jean Cleaning Facebook page. We do post videos on over there. You do those quick, simple, easy things, you will be entered, and within the next couple of weeks, we will pick a winner and contact you. Now, for some reason you are watching this video after that 2-week time frame, I still encourage you to sign up for the weekly newsletter, so that way you'll be in the know when I do future giveaways. I can't wait to share more exciting Amazon goodies, cleaning and life hacks with you, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.